How's it going? I'm Greg with Vanning in Japan, and you're watching Love Grooves Japan TV. And today I'm going to give you a tour of my 2018 Suzuki Every, as well as give you a glimpse into my life as a van dweller living in Japan. So I hope you enjoy. Now this is a small van, so when it came to building this thing out, I wanted something that was lightweight and strong at the same time. So I made the beds out of cardboard, wrapped in mildew and waterproof paper. Then I finished it off with false leather. It's extremely strong, extremely lightweight, and it's very comfortable. Now, it's pretty narrow, but I can sleep fine. I'm in the process of building out an extension to the bed. Now right here is a toilet which hasn't been used yet, but I'm building out a composting toilet, and I'm going to enclose it in maybe a case so I could actually use this space up here. Now I just want to give you a view. I think this is the greatest office view ever. I would like to give a shout out to the Terror Twins. If you love hip hop, definitely check them out. And I also would like to give a shout out to Miss Carol at Glorious Life on Wheels. If you love RV clicking videos, her channel is the one that you need to be subscribing to. Okay, now let me give you another look from the back. Now, off in the distance we have Saddle Island. Now this sink is the same thing. It's made out of actually lightweight paper. Very strong, you know, wrapped in leather. It looks good. It looks a lot better in person. And we have the Jackery 400. And the sink, you know, I'm still putting everything together. So this is going to be, you know, part one of the tour. A little cooktop. This thing is a godsend right here. Here I have all like the tools, anything that I need. You know, got a little simple green in there, and anything I need to, you know, if I want to build while I'm out here on the road. You know, got the little futon pillow. If you're wondering, I'm 5'11", and I can actually fit here just fine. It just needs to be a little bit wider, and I'll be okay with that. So, but I'm satisfied with it. You know, I'm pretty happy with it. My name is Greg, and I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I've been here in Japan since 1993, and I came over here initially in the United States Navy. I got out the Navy in 1998, and I decided to stay here pretty much by default because I didn't have any family that I could go back to in America, and there was no place in particular that I wanted to settle. I've always been interested in RVs, especially Class A's, which was the only thing that I was familiar with at the time. And everything pretty much came to a head about 7 years ago, which was the last time I was in America. And I was sitting there in the Walmart parking lot, and a road truck pulled up right next to me. When they opened up the side door and I actually seen that it was an RV, I was dumbfounded. I jumped out the car, approached them, struck up a conversation. They gave me a tour, and I was hooked ever since. Well, right now the immediate goal is actually to get on the road, and I want to explore every prefecture here in Japan. A prefecture is equivalent to a state, and they have 47 prefectures here in Japan, so I would like to visit all of them. The long-term goal of my channel was actually to bring a different perspective to the van life genre, and with that perspective being me being overseas. and traveling around and actually showing a different world, and hopefully inspire other people to come over here and do the same. I love the fact that more and more people of color are getting into the lifestyle, but more so than anything else, I'm just happy that more people in general are starting to follow their hearts and live life the way that they want to live it. I would like to thank you all for taking the time out to watch this video, because I know you have a million other things that you could be doing otherwise, and I truly appreciate it. If you would be so kind, please subscribe and like this video, and I hope to see you all soon.